Have you ever thought how the stars twinkling in the night sky, planets revolving around the sun, and all other heavenly bodies were formed? This all began from the formation of universe. There are many theories explaining the formation of universe, but the one and only famous was the Big Bang theory. Friends, welcome to Any Talks. So today we are going to have a talk on a science topic, that is the origin of universe. The Big Bang theory was firstly given by George Lemaitre from present around 14 Arab years ago. Here, 1 Arab is 100 crore years. The whole universe was full of darkness, no stars, no planets, no sun, no moon, and nothing. In the space, there was only one body. This was a heavily dense body, which was made of gas dust. Due to its high gravitational force, the size of this body started becoming smaller and smaller and smaller to the extent you cannot imagine. So isn't it crazy on the fact that the universe was formed from a body which shrank as small as a basketball? This small body was known as singularity with a great gravitational force. This was the Big Bang theory. As it became small and small, the heat inside it kept on increasing. Hence suddenly it became unstable and exploded. The hydrogen gas couldn't control and they fused with each other, also called as nuclear fusion, and blasted. This was called the Big Blast. The molecules or particles of the whole body started moving in all directions with a high speed. In space, as there is no resistance or any boundary, the molecules continuously started moving in all directions. This can be explained with an example of a bomb exploding and the particles spreading in all directions. These molecules and particles and even gases moved in all directions and formed the nebula. So nebula was the first thing formed after the Big Bang explosion. This was like a cloud made up of dust and gas. The small particles of the body, of the heavily dense body as I mentioned before, were blasted into unequal sized particles. Hence the particles in the nebula, due to great gravitational force, started attracting the gases and other dust particles towards it. It became larger and larger, and hence the temperature inside it started increasing. This can be seen with an example like what will happen if you cover your body with blankets again and again. You all know that the temperature will increase. Just in the same way, the temperature inside it also started increasing. The temperature from minus 173 degrees Celsius started rising to 1 crore degrees Celsius. Due to this high temperature and high gravity, the hydrogen molecules couldn't repel and fused to form helium. Now again, these small particles again blasted due to high temperature and high gravitational force again and became a fireball called Sun and many more stars. Inside this nebula, due to blast, it formed the galaxy. Galaxy is a collection of stars, and the star nearest to our planet Earth is Sun. The star nearest to the Sun is Proxima Centauri. In our galaxy, there are about 200 crore stars, and the closest star is Sun, and the second is Proxima Centauri. This I was talking in one nebula. Similarly, in other nebulas, different galaxies were formed. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way galaxy, and the galaxy closest to the Milky Way galaxy is Andromeda galaxy. In every galaxy, there are about 100 to 200 crore stars, and in our universe, there are about 200 crore galaxies. Here in this, you will understand how big our universe is. Each galaxy has stars and each stars have planets revolving it, just like our planet like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune revolving it. Now, since each galaxy has around 200 stars and each stars are revolved by planets around them, hence there is a huge possibility of existence of aliens in some other planet too like we humans.
So this is all for today. So please like, share, subscribe for more videos.